Hello, this is John Garcia with Vista Management Group. This is 79 Rainy Avenue in San Antonio, Texas. It's located off of Bandera and Eckerd Road. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-story home, 2-car garage, 1366 square feet. Let's go ahead and take a look inside, which is nice. Basically, half of the yard here is xeriscaped. Also in the backyard, there's a great portion as well. Got a little piece of yard here. 2-car garage. It does come with a little keypad here, which is nice for some convenience. Automatic garage door openers. That's a nice screen door. Some paved areas here, which is nice. Nice storm door. Let's go on inside. As you come in, some vinyl floors. Second floor upstairs, and it does have a nice little closet here as well. Really nice, beautiful custom shutters here, which can be opened and closed, and then it has the capability of opening them up for a little bit more lighting, which is really nice. It is equipped with a fireplace. This home does come with a washer, dryer, and refrigerator. So all these blinds here, these shutters, they can close and open. Just wanted to have them for some nice lighting here. Of course, it does have this blind here as well, which you can open and close. We'll go to the backyard shortly. As mentioned, it does come with the washer, dryer, refrigerator, automatic garage door openers, granite countertops, nice deep sink, stainless steel appliances. Two-car garage. It's a little dark in here, apologies. So, yeah. It is plumbed for a water softener. Unfortunately, there's not one installed, but if you wanted one, definitely discuss that. Nice little pantry here. Right here is the primary bedroom. Access to the back patio. Primary restroom. It's really nice. Got a closet here, nice good sized walk-in closet. Again, this is located in San Antonio, Texas, right off of Bandera Road, near Leon Valley, between Eckerd Road. Let's go into the back here. It is located on a nice green belt. So, do a quick flip of screen. As mentioned, this is really cool. Nice little spigot here. Under the grass from on top. Green belt area, so no back neighbors, which is really nice. Nice little pathway, so you can access down there. So a door here, of course, and then on the primary. Really nice. Let's go on inside. I believe this is a gray as far as the wall goes, agreeable gray, mixed tones with white as well on trims. Very nice. Okay, let's go on upstairs. There's 2 other bedrooms and a nice loft area. Coming on upstairs. Loft area. Got another linen closet to the right. Again, shutters. Nice overview. 1 second. Sorry, somebody wanted to look at the property already. So here we go, nice. Second full bath, of course, right? These tiles are really cool. It's almost like it's like a cloth style. It's really nice. Little medicine cabinet there, some drawers coming in. Second bedroom. Nice closet space. Let's go into the final room. I hope you like this video. Again, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1366 square feet. And it is available for immediate move-in. I hope you like it. Have a great day. Thank you.